4-speed standard. Unit. Fucking racing lawnmower. But I think we got some issues here. I do the spin of the spin of the wheel, and nothing under there does anything. Even in gear. What if I spin this axle? Nope. Yeah. So I think there's some issues. I don't know. Fucking key works even. Come on, baby. Oh. Oh, she's puking fuel. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no. All right. She's got carb issues now. Okay. Let's see what happens. Did a cleaning of the carb. Let's see if it fucking pukes stuff all over still. Well, stuff. Fuel. So far it's not. Let me throw the battery charger on this. Put a hotter plug in and... It's trying. Oh. Well, I'll come back to it tomorrow or later when the battery's charged. But she almost fired. Almost. Fucking battery's stone dead now. We're not stone dead, but that don't do much of anything anymore. And oh, holy fuck! Holy fuck! Okay, let me give her some throttle here. You bitch. Okay, look. Jesus Christ! She's a vibrating whore! Oh, she don't like throttle. Well, start back up. It needs a carb kit or something. It doesn't like the application of the throttle. Or hold on, let me do some tunage. I did some tunage. Oh, little less. Less? She's a fucking runner here. Let's. Oh yeah. Let's see if she'll fire back up. Oh, just fucking loyal. But we got it. We got an issue here. You see, I pushed the clutch in, I put it in gear, and let the clutch out, and nothing happens. Oh, maybe there is something. No. So, I guess tomorrow we're dropping the rear end. She's got a little bit of a lean to her now. Maybe I should put that tire back on. I think it might just be like belt slippage. See all this smoke? Fucking belt smoke. But that's third gear. Hold on. Hey, we're moving. That's first gear. Holy fuck, second move's pretty good. How about third? Woo! Woo, yeah. Oh, let's go for a joyride. Look at the homemade gas tank. Oh yeah. Let's do the runner. Oh, we're running out of fuel. That's okay. I got a pin in fourth. We're not going very fast, but whee! Oh yeah. Oh, I'm having too much fun. I don't want to go and park it yet. Woo-hoo! Oh yeah. Alright, let's give her the beans. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Open diff thing, she's spinning. Oh, down tune her a little. I'm going too quick. Right? Oh, I almost had the downshift. Alright. Oh, the key. It's gonna need some wires replaced. We got some melty. Does it still work to start? Well, I unhooked the battery, but I guess we'll find out later if it still works to start it. But oh yeah. Oh fuck, do we got things hooked up wrong for the key? Look at that. On down there. Well, this is gonna have to change. It's got a governor on it. Watch this. I won't, like, I'll put it full throttle here, but it won't. That's full throttle. Hold that in. Holy shit, the lights work. Holy shit. Holy shit. Sweet. But yeah, it's definitely got a governor on the throttle, because you go full throttle, it'll go full throttle, and then it cuts it back to half. So we're going to have to change that. We're going to have to just wire up our own little hand throttle or something. See? You know, that's brand new. You know, restored that. See, you know, it's all... Oh, we need to restore that a little better. It's all restored. You know, oh, that one needs to get restored a bit better too. But you know, restored the wheels. The outsides of the wheels. It's all, you know, it's all restored. Oh, ignore down there. That's not all restored. Even got the front. Brand new. Here, let's give this wheel a quick restoration. Here, let's restore the tire some too. And brand new. Oh. You don't need to buy new tires, just paint them. Let's do some restoration down here. Oh yeah. What else needs restoration? Oh! Well, there we go. Get the foot pedal a little. Oh.